Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu roamed through the forest of Vrindavan for about 2 months, and then he returned to Puri. And throughout the day, he would have kirtan with his devotees. And the various ecstatic symptoms that Lord Chaitanya would reveal through his kirtans were something extraordinary. It was the ultimate joy. 4 months every year, the devotees from Bengal would come just to have kirtan throughout the day and night with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And during the Ratha Yatra, Lord Chaitanya revealed this kirtan was his method of bringing the people of this world into his eternal Leela of Vrindavan. Lord Chaitanya, in the mood of Sri Radha, was loudly chanting Krishna's name as the way of expressing his love for Krishna, Jagannath. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Puri had limitless kirtan pastimes throughout the day, throughout the night. And his residence, the Gambhira, with Swarup Damodar Goswami and Ramananda Rai and her servant Govinda, Lord Chaitanya was revealing the deepest, most intimate ecstasies of Krishna Prem, Sri Radha's love and separation. And it was in that deepest ecstatic state, in the Gambhira, that Lord Chaitanya composed Shikshastakam, 8 verses, glorifying the chanting of the holy names. It begins with Cheto Darpana Marjanam, that the mind is like a mirror. But in this material world, the mirror of our mind is covered with so much dust and dirt. The very purpose of a mirror is to see oneself. The soul is the true person. But when the eternal soul sees through a dirty mirror mind, then it only sees the dirt of lust and envy and anger and arrogance and greed and illusion. And we identify with all of these external temporary symptoms of a dying body and all the fleeting temperaments of the mind. But the chanting of the holy names is like cleansing the mirror of the mind. By chanting the holy names, it restores our original natural consciousness.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.